friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here to review a unique product which is now launched from Saffola, the Saffola oodles. So guys, these are the Saffola oodles, not like your normal noodles. These are oodles. So basically they are O-shaped noodles. And like our normal noodles are long, curly in shape, but these are oodles which are O-shaped noodles. And the best part of it is they are made with whole grain oats. So you have the goodness of whole grains in these Saffola oodles. So again, the packet in bold it mentioned that there's no maida used. It is completely made of oats and other whole grains. So that is an amazing thing. That is their USP right now. So let's get down to the review of the product. We are going to review and make it and do a taste test of the Saffola masala oodles. So guys, this is a pack of 4 that I have here. This is a pack of 4 Saffola oodles, and right on top you can see the Saffola branding here. Then it has the oodles branding right across the face here. Then it says yummy masala, which is the flavor is mentioned here, yummy masala. Then right here they are mentioning it that it is made with whole grain oats. So these oodles are made with whole grain oats. It is ready in 5 minutes. It doesn't take much time to cook. It's not as fast as your Maggi noodles, which is ready in 2-3 minutes. But this takes 5 minutes because it is made from whole grain oats and there's no maida used. So they are mentioning it here in bold that there's no maida in this, which is amazing. Which makes it like super healthy, or at least healthier than the other noodle options available in the market. Moving on the side of the product, they are mentioning the ingredients of the oodles. Right here you can see them mentioning the ingredients of the oodles. So the ingredients, the rings are made from oat flour, which is 40% is oat flour, 39% is oat flour. Then another 36% is semolina, which is rava. Then there's edible oil, a blend of refined rice bran oil and refined sunflower oil. So they are using rice bran oil, which has oryzanol, which is also healthy for your heart, and sunflower oil. There's wheat gluten, iodized salt, and stabilizers. So they are using wheat gluten to bind the oodles together. They are used wheat gluten. Now what does a yummy masala mix have? It has spices and condiments 15%, which consist of onion, cumin, turmeric and clove. It has dehydrated vegetables, which are 3.6%. Onions, carrots, sugar, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, starch, milk solids, iodized salt, maltodextrin, flavor enhancers, anti-caking agents and thickeners. This product contains natural color and added flavors, natural and nature identical flavoring substances. And then they are given the nutritional facts here. Every 100 grams serving of the oodles packs in a protein of 14.6 grams of protein, which is really nice. 53 grams of carbohydrate, which is a lot of energy. There's 16 grams of fat, of which saturated fats are 3.7 grams and trans fats are 0.1 gram. There's 0% cholesterol. There's sodium in it, there's calcium, there's potassium and iron. So there are multiple other minerals in it as well. So on the other side we have the how to make these noodles. So it's a super simple, easy to prepare recipe here. What you need to take is 260 ml of hot water and bring the water to boil. Now add the Saffola oodles, a packet of Saffola oodles, rings and the entire content of the yummy masala mix. So you need to add the oodles and the yummy masala mix to the bowl. Stir it so that everything mixes together and cook it for 5 minutes, occasionally stirring it. It tastes best when made little soupy. So if you make it a little soupy, it will taste better. Let's get creative. Try chopped coriander, red chilies and grated cheese or anything else you want. So you can try all of these things as well along with it. Coming to the back of the pack. So this is a 184 gram pack which contains 446 gram packets inside it, and the MRP of the oodles. So let's see what is the MRP of the oodles. I have a sticker on top of it. I'll have to peel that off to reveal the MRP of the oodles. I'll quickly tear off the sticker, which is blocking my view right now. Okay, so guys, the MRP of the oodles is rupees 60. So the MRP is rupees 60, and this has a shelf life of 9 months from packaging. So the oodles has a shelf life of 9 months from packaging, so which is amazing. Let's see what are the benefits here. They are saying that it is made with whole grain oats and real vegetables. The oodles are made from whole grain oats and real vegetables are there in it. Has no maida and no added preservatives in it. It is rich in protein and high in fiber. So that is an amazing part of the oodles. So let's go ahead and unpack this product to see what do we have inside. And here I just throw it open, and then inside that we have individual packs of Saffola oodles. As you can see here, so we have individual 4 packs of Saffola oodles packed into this box, big packet. So there are 4 packs of Saffola oodles, and we get 4 taste makers along with it, 4 masala taste makers along with it. Let's just quickly look at the oodles packet. So guys, this is Saffola oodles yummy masala. It is not meant for retail sale. These packets are not meant for retail sale without the outer pack. So this is the packet of the oodles. Let's go ahead and open the oodles packet and see how does the oodles look. So guys, these are the oodles which are round in shape here. We can see them. These are round in shape. These are made from whole grain oats and quite small in size, but let's see how they turn out after cooking it. So these are the oodles. Very different from our normal noodles. So I can't wait to try them out. So let's go ahead and cook up the oodles. We are going to make the Saffola oodles, and for the Saffola oodles, first thing what we require is a saucepan. I have taken a vessel here, which is a saucepan, in which I have added 260 ml of water. Now once the water comes to a boil, like starts getting warm enough, what we are going to do is we are going to add this packet of oodles into it. So there is a packet of oodles. I will show you how the oodles look. These are the oodles from Saffola, which are round O-shaped noodles. So these are made out of oats. That's the best part of the Saffola oodles. These are made out of oats with 0% maida in it. So there's no maida. And I think now our water has become warm. So we'll quickly add the oodles into it. We add a packet of oodles into the water. And now we have this taste maker packet along with it, the oodles yummy masala mix, so we need to add that as well. And now we need to give it a stir so that the masala mixes well with the oodles. And now we should let it boil or cook on medium flame. So we'll just turn the flame to medium. And now we'll let it cook for 5 minutes. So the oodles taste best when you leave them soupy. So we are going to let them be soupy a bit. And we are going to cook it for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally so that the oodles mix well with the masala. So now it's going to cook for 5 minutes, and we'll do a taste test once the oodles are ready. Guys, the oodles are ready right now. Let's look at it how it looks. So here are the oodles. Perfect circular shape here. And none of them are broken. So we can see some vegetables in it, like there's carrot in it, orange carrot can be seen. And these are made out of oats. That's the best part of it. Very healthy, very rich in proteins, high in fiber. So that is the good part about it. So can't wait to try these out. Okay, these are the Saffola oodles, and right now we are going to do a taste test of the oodles. Here is the taste test of the Saffola masala oodles, and I have a spoonful of the oodles here, and I'm going to do a quick taste test of the same. The aroma is nice, the masala aroma is nice, and I just can't wait to taste it right now. So here it goes. This is a taste test of the Saffola oodles. Very yummy, well cooked oodles. Very tasty taste. A bit on the spicier side here, the oodles are, but very yummy. And the main part is I like the shape of it. It comes in the shape of O's, which is really attractive for the kids. It will really attract the kids, and it's not just attractive, it is also healthy at the same time, because it is made from oats, oat flour and wheat flour, and there's no maida used in it. That is the best part. They are using wheat gluten to bind the oats together, so which is a good part, so that there is zero maida used in it. Taste wise, there's no compromise in taste. It is amazing. Just the cook time is more than your normal instant noodles. The instant noodle takes about 2 to 3 minutes. The Saffola oodles takes you around 5 to 6 minutes to prepare. So that's the only difference. The pricing is the same, which comes out to ₹60 for a pack of 4, which comes out to 15 rupees a packet, which is not bad. Like very well and competitively priced. Overall taste is nice, and yeah, what's better than tasty and healthy on noodles? Like whenever we are craving to have those masala instant noodles, why not choose something which is healthy like the oodles? So guys, this was my review about the Saffola masala oodles. I really like the taste, and it was really quickly prepared, and I will definitely give it a 5 on 5 when compared to other brands which have oat noodles. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.